Good afternoon, everyone. It is Friday, the 23rd of August 2003. We have thunderstorm coming in. We just had a big lightning strike over here. Hopefully there's no fire going along with that. A nice boat. Fishing ring, kingfisher, built in Vernon. Anyways, it is pretty ugly. We have thunder everywhere. Maybe get some lightning. Anyways, I am heading in. It is crazy. So, anyways, we got some guy talking to his wife or something in this truck. Getting pissed off. Anyways, take care, stay safe. We will see what happens out here. Oh. Yeah, there's more thunder happening now. Might need the boat to, in case there's a flood. Some guys on a motorcycle over here. You don't want to be on that in a thunderstorm. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Happy Friday. Updates to follow. We'll see. Crackle. Whoa. There you go. Lightning. Peace out, everyone. I'm going in. Maybe not. Oh, there you go. Anyways, I'm heading in. It's getting wild. Peace out.